Welcome all to yet another video. Dr. R.S. and you on the science of cosmetics and personal care products. You can type Ramesh Surya Narayanan in Google or YouTube and you will get all my videos regarding this topic. You'll get it as Dr. Ramesh Surya Narayanan and spelling S-U-R-I-A, and this is my email ID. Today we are going to part 101. We have completed part 100. You can go back to part 100. We revised till part 100 what all we have done. We saw the index and some spiritual lessons. The what I learned from life. I have put some 8 points and it will be interesting. Please go through it. At the end of part 100, I given that. Right? Now today we are in part 101, and in the next 5 parts what we are going to do is the question bank. Right? Every 20 parts, we will have the question bank. Right? What type of, if you are a student or if you are studying these topics, what type of questions are answered in these topics, and if you want to get an answer for these topics, how you can take clues from these topic and from these parts and develop further. So there are 2 aspects, right? So we will do that. Now this is question bank 1. Reference part 1 to part 20 of my YouTube videos, right? 1. Define the term cosmetics as per Indian and European regulations. Drugs and Cosmetics Act India reference, and refer part 52 of this YouTube video where EU definition is given. But you can Google European Union cosmetic regulation. You can get the latest EU regulation from the Google itself. So you will get the PDF format of it. You can take it out. Discuss the evolution of the term cosmeceuticals. From cosmetics, how the term cosmeceuticals evolved. List down the functions of skin. With a neat diagram, explain the structure of skin. Right? 5th question. Write notes on sebaceous gland, eccrine sweat gland, apocrine sweat gland. Question 6. Explain the structure and function of stratum corneum, horny layer, with respect to skin moisturization. Classify skin type based on its moisture level. Discuss various approaches to moisturize skin. Supplying moisture, sealing moisture, and improving the inherent nature of the skin to hold moisture. You can explain that. Question 8. Explain the effects of UV radiation of sun on skin. Write a note on Fitzpatrick classification scale on skin types. Explain the term SPF and PPD with reference to sunlight and skin, sun protection factor and persistent pigment darkening, right? Question 11. Write a note on melanogenesis. Explain the chemistry involved in the biosynthesis of melanin. Explain the contribution of pheomelanin and eumelanin to skin color and skin condition. Discuss biological and physical methods of modulating skin pigmentation. Explain intrinsic and extrinsic skin aging. Enumerate the theories proposed for skin aging. Write notes on elastin fibers, collagen fibers. With a neat diagram, explain most common types of skin wrinkles. The face, you need not show how the wrinkles appear, but you can show where are the areas wrinkles can occur and what is the name of those wrinkles. Right? Write a note on the approaches to delay skin aging. Now, with a neat diagram, explain the structure of hair. Explain physical properties of hair and its importance in evaluating hair cleansing and hair care products. Write a note on hair growth cycle. With a neat diagram, explain the structure of teeth and gums. Write a note on dental diseases that can be addressed through cosmetic products. This is very important. Only dental diseases that can be addressed through cosmetic products. You are not the dentist, but to just have a overview on the dental diseases that can be addressed through cosmetic products. 25. List down various cosmetic product forms. Monophasic liquids, biphasic liquids, suspensions and emulsions, then sticks, then gels, various product forms. Distinguish between monophasic and biphasic liquid preparation. Distinguish between ointment and paste as product forms. Define the term emulsion and suspension. Write a note on gel as a product form. Explain the application of stick as a product form in cosmetics and personal care products. List down various building blocks of cosmetics and personal care formulations. It's just listing down. You need not explain, list down what are the building blocks. 32. Write a note on water as a building block in cosmetics and personal care formulations. Classify surfactants with examples. Explain the application of surfactants in cosmetics and personal care products. Write note on alkyl polyglucosides as foaming and emulsifying agents. A category of non-ionic emulsifiers as a foaming and emulsifying agent. Classify emollients with examples. Explain the application of emollients in cosmetics and personal care products. Classify humectants with examples. Explain the application of humectants in cosmetics and personal care products. Classify rheological additives with examples. Explain the application of rheological additives in cosmetics and personal care products. 38. Write a note with examples on the application of antioxidants in cosmetics and personal care products. Write a note with examples on the application of chelating agents in cosmetics and personal care products. Classify with examples antimicrobial preservatives used in cosmetics and personal care products. Discuss factors affecting antimicrobial preservative efficacy. 41. Define the term colorants as per regulatory guidelines. Write a note on organic colors and lakes used in cosmetics and personal care products. Write a note on inorganic pigments used in cosmetics and personal care products. Right? So these are the 43 questions which forms the questions of parts from 1 to 20. Right? So in our next part, we will see the questions from 21 to 40, right? Thank you for listening to me in this video. Till we get connected in the next video, be happy, be smiling, be safe, be blessed. Thank you. Bye.